In this video, we listed the 5 best sports RC cars on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ZWN 116 2.4 GH Model RC Car. The ZWN DK087 116 remote control car combines innovative design and robust features to create an engaging outdoor toy, suitable for children aged 3 to 14 and beyond. Designed as a dirt bike with a maximum speed of 20 km per hour, this off-road vehicle operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and includes a 4-channel controller, Mode 2, for agile handling and control. With dimensions of 24.5 by 14.5 by 9.5 cm and a durable construction of metal and plastic, it is built to withstand various terrains thanks to its resilient tires and aluminum alloy body. The car offers a flight time of 20 minutes and a remote control distance of up to 40 meters, making it perfect for adventurous play. Notable features include LED lights for night driving, high-speed capabilities, and excellent grip with off-road tires. The package includes batteries, an operating manual, a remote controller, and a USB cable for convenient charging, allowing users to enjoy up to 30 minutes of driving after a 90-minute charge. With certification from CE and a unique design that mimics real car handling, the DK087 promises a satisfying and thrilling RC experience for users. Number 2. Paisible 114 Electric RC Car. The Paisible remote-controlled car is a 1/14 scale model designed for children aged 6 and older, featuring an ABS plastic body and rubber components for durability. With dimensions of approximately 30 cm x 11.8 cm x 8.5 cm, it offers a maximum remote control distance of 10 meters and operates on a 27 MHz frequency. The car can be easily controlled to move forward, reverse, and turn left or right, and it features operable doors as well as functional headlights and rear lights. The package includes the original box, batteries, a remote controller, and a USB charging cable, with a recommended charging time of 2 to 3 hours for optimal battery performance, allowing for around 30 minutes of flight time. Although ready to run upon assembly, it is important to note that multiple cars operating on the same frequency may interfere with one another. The product also comes with a 1-year warranty but is not suitable for children under 3 years old. Number 3. WLtoys 124017 Racing RC Car. The WLtoys 124017 RC Racing Car is a high-speed, ready-to-go remote-controlled vehicle designed for enthusiasts aged 14 and older. Featuring a powerful brushless 550 motor capable of reaching speeds up to 75 km per h, this 1/12 scale model boasts a robust all-metal chassis and quality materials such as high-strength aluminum and zinc alloy gears for enhanced durability. With a 7.4 V 2200 mAh lithium battery, it offers approximately 8 to 10 minutes of playtime and has a remote control range of around 100 meters via a 2.4 GHz anti-jamming system. The car is equipped with a 4-wheel independent shock absorption system, making it versatile for various terrains including off-road and desert conditions. The package includes the car, a remote controller, a USB charger, and necessary accessories, ensuring users have everything they need to start racing. Number 4. HAIBOXING Racing Drift RC Car. The new HAIBOXING 2192, 2193, 2195 is a high-speed remote control racing car designed for enthusiasts aged 14 and older. With a scale of 1/18, this car can reach speeds of up to 50 km per hour, although actual performance may vary depending on environmental conditions. It features a robust 4WD transmission powered by a strong RC370 brush motor, allowing for agile maneuvering and stable performance. The car operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a 2-channel control system, offering forward, reverse, brake, and steering functions, along with adjustable speed settings. It comes equipped with a 7.4V 800 mAh lithium-ion battery providing 20 to 25 minutes of flight time, and charges in approximately 2 to 2.5 hours. The package includes essential components such as batteries, a remote controller, and a USB cable, and boasts features like an external gyroscope for enhanced control, splash-proof design, and a sturdy build made from durable plastic. This ready-to-go model comes with a 1-month warranty and is ideal for both newcomers and experienced users looking for an electric sports vehicle. Number 5. VRX Cobra RC Car. The VRX Racing Cobra RH818P is a high-performance 1:8 scale remote control car designed for enthusiasts aged 14 and up. This ready-to-run, RTR, truggy, featuring a robust design with a wheelbase of 325 mm, measures 485 mm in length, 340 mm in width, and 190 mm in height. It is powered by a powerful 3660 brushless motor and an 80A escape, utilizing a high-capacity 11.1V 3300 mAh lithium polymer battery that provides a flight time of 15 to 20 minutes and a remote control distance of 100 to 150 meters. The RC car boasts advanced features such as 4-wheel drive, oil-filled big-bore shocks, and a customizable wheelbase, ensuring excellent stability and performance on various terrains. Its construction includes durable materials like metal, plastic, and rubber, with an aluminum upper plate for added strength and a dirt-proof receiver case. The package includes essential items such as batteries, a charger, operating instructions, and a 2.4G remote controller, making it an exciting option for racing fun.